Today is Thursday, January 16th. This is the 1967 one-year only rear Ashtray Escutcheon switchplate bezel for the 1967 Cadillac Coupe de Ville Sedan de Ville convertible. This unit will be going to Robert Leslie as soon as I get his okay to ship reply confirmation. The unit is 53 years old. This is an original vintage item. It has not been restored. It has not been re-chromed. It's the original hexavalent chrome, and it includes a fully functioning swivel door, okay, which is the number one problem with these 1967 Escutcheons. Generally, the hinges break and the door panel falls off. This is the left-hand unit as indicated by the LH at the end of the designation PT 9710463. LH for left hand. So this is the left-hand rear Ashtray Escutcheon unit. I would call this a very good quality, driver's quality unit. This is not a show quality unit, okay, and it's not priced as a show quality unit. So as soon as I get Robert Leslie's okay to ship, reply confirmation, this unit will be shipping out. Today is Thursday, January 16th. This is George in Florida. I have over 75,000 original vintage parts for the 1967 to 1970 Cadillacs, over 250,000 parts for the 1959 to 1976 Cadillacs overall. I'm best known for my restoration of the steering wheels, including the 1967 and 68 steering wheels with the 682 grip lines in the front face perimeter, as well as the 1969 to 1978 Cadillac steering wheels with the wood grain inlay, including the one-year only 1969 rim blow steering wheel. Okay, today is January 16th, 2020. Thank you very kindly.